Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about the story hidden inside every painting. Every painting tells a story. It may not have words, but it still speaks to the viewer. A simple boat on a quiet river, an old village street, a lonely tree, or a person walking in the rain can make us feel something. That is the power of art. A good painting is not only about showing a place, it is about sharing a feeling, a memory, or a moment. When we start painting, we often focus on technique. We think about colors, brushstroke, composition, and perspective. These are all important, but they are only tools. The real question is, what story do I want to tell? When we know the answer, our painting become more meaningful. A story does not have to be complicated. It can be peaceful morning in the mountain, children's playing in a village, a fisherman returning home, or sunlight falling through trees. Even an empty road or an old door can make people wonder who has walked there or what has happened in the place. A painting becomes interesting when it makes the viewer stop and imagine. One of the best ways to tell a story is through light. Soft morning light can create hope. Warm evening light can bring peace. Dark clouds may create drama, while gentle mist can add mystery. Colors also plays an important role. Warm colors often feel welcoming, while cool colors can create calmness or distance. We should also remember that not every story needs many details. Sometimes a few simple shapes and confident brush strokes are enough. When we leave some things unfinished, the viewer imagination become part of the painting. Each person may see different story, and that makes art special. As artists, we should paint subject that means something to us. When we have an emotional connection with the place, it shows in our work. The painting become more honest and more meaningful. People may not know why they like it, but they can feel the emotion behind it. Every time we paint, we should ask ourselves, what do I want the viewer to feel? The answer may be peace, joy, hope, or even quietness. If we can make someone stop, look a little longer, and feel something, then our painting has done its job. In the end, watercolor is more than paper, paint, and water. It is a way of sharing our thoughts without speaking. Every brushstroke is part of our story, and every finished painting becomes a silent conversation between the artist and the viewer. So the next time you pick up your brush, do not think only about painting a beautiful picture. Think about the story you want to tell. That story may be the reason someone remember your painting long after they have seen it. Thank you very much and happy painting.